Hello, I'm going to share a story which I have watched from the YouTube. There was a man whose name is Ram. He lives with his family in a small town. He has a small tea shops. He earn hardly money and run his family with that money. He has two child, uh, a boy and a girl. He always struggled to earn money because he was poor and his shop was very small. Hardly he earned a little money from his shop and he have to pay 2000 rupees for shop owner and left 2000 money for his rent rent for his room rent and left of and when the left of money he run their family. Dipali is coming soon and her daughter came and said to Ram, "Hey dad, I want to a new cloth on Deepavali and on Deepavali because Deepavali and Vaidus is coming." After few days later, her sons also came and said to his father, "Dad, you brought new clothes for Salini previous year, so I want to new kurta for me." After listen all the things, Ram will start thinking what how I will manage. And when was he went on the shop, a man whose name is Sudhir came to his shop and told, "Bring me, give me a money for as a tax. Otherwise, you can't run your shops. Every shopkeeper has gave me money because Diwali is coming, so I need a money." Then Ram also start thinking how I will manage. And Sudhir said, "Tomorrow you have to pay my tax in any cost." Then Ram will start thinking how will he manage his his children is also demanding for new clothes and Sudhir is also demanding for his tax and and after and thinking like he went to bed and he sleep. He wake up early in the morning next day and went for shop and start and he left for shop. When he were going, he saw a woman is uh, fallen in front on the near the temple. Many people was walking near the temple, but no one, no one were going to help her. He went and woke up the women, and there was a child, her child, also crying beside her. He woke up the women and stopped a auto rickshaw and took her into hospital. He rushed on hospital and said to doctor, please check him. When I was going to my shop, I saw a woman is fallen near the temple, so I brought her. Doctor gave him injection and medicine and said to Ram, now she is out of danger. Thank God you bring him on time. You don't, if you don't brought him on time, so it will be danger for them. Women and children will be danger. Then Salini, the woman name was Salini. She was unconscious. So Ram was starting waiting. Ram start Ram was waiting for her conscious. When Salini came in conscious, so Ram said, Salini said, asked to doctor who I felt in near the temple, so who brought me in hospital. So doctor said, this kind person brought you in the hospitals. If he don't brought you in the hospital, then you will be dangerous. Then Salini took out a phone from his wallet and called her husband. When husband rushed the hospital, when Ram saw her husband, he surprised to see him because he was Sudhir. And Salini said that he brought me on the time, otherwise I will be danger today. So Sudhir see to Ram and uh, felt ashamed because he tortured him. And he said, forgive me for my mistakes. You are a very kind person, and I want to forgive you that I have tortured poor shopkeepers, and I promise you I will return all the money from those I have took I have taken and forgive me. So Ram said, don't say like this. Will God will forgive you. And Ram said, then Salini said to Sudhir, he helped me, so we should give him some gift. Then Ram gave him all the money he which he took from him, and he returned all the shopkeeper's money. Salini said, Ram, can you become my brother, because I don't have any brothers and I always want a brother from God. And said to Sudhir also, if he will become my brother, so I can make him a brother, and the Bhai Dooj is coming, so I will invite him our home on Bhai Dooj, and we will celebrate together. And then Ram buy some new clothes and sweets for his family and brought it for his family. He gave the new frock and kurta for his children, and he gave the new sari for her wife. And then her wife become happy to see this, and she noticed one box is also in his hand. Then she asked whom for that box. So he said, this box is for my sister Salini, because he have no brothers, and she invited us on her home. So reached they reached their home and they celebrate Bhai Dooj. And that was my story study which I have watched from YouTube. Thank you for listening.